Luxury fashion used to be about elegance. Today, it shocks millions around the world. Every season, designers create runway moments that dominate social media, not because they're practical, but because they're unforgettable. Is this the future of fashion, or are luxury brands simply competing for attention? Before you decide, there's a fascinating story behind why fashion keeps pushing boundaries, and it changes the way you'll see luxury forever. The internet, and specifically social media, is the single biggest reason for luxury's shift toward boldness. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are fundamentally visual. They operate on a currency of immediate impact. In a feed of millions, a quiet, subtle garment can get lost. A bright pink coat, a bag covered in a repeating logo, a pair of oversized boots will stop a user mid-scroll. Brands understand they're designing for wearers and for the tiny screen where millions see it first. A successful piece must be Instagrammable, graphic, clear, instantly recognizable at a glance. Delicate tailoring rarely translates in a quick snapshot. Bold colors, strong silhouettes, prominent branding do. Hence Jacquemus viral moments. Miniature bags, giant straw hats. Made for the camera and for sharing. Organic publicity dwarfs old ads. Fashion talk is democratized. Anyone with a phone can be critic, curator, trendsetter. Luxury is targeting a new demographic, millennials and, increasingly, Gen Z. They relate to fashion differently. Less about old rules, more about expression. Fashion is entertainment, personal branding, self-expression. They don't want to blend in. They want to stand out. Clothes broadcast identity, moods, affiliations. Bold designs are perfect for this language. For them, luxury is not just status, it's cultural artifact. They want brands tied to music, art, internet culture, bold colors, playful graphics, collabs with streetwear and pop artists. Gucci under Alessandro Michele. Vibrant, eccentric, gender fluid, catnip for youth. The payoff: explosive growth and cultural leadership. Loud luxury fuels playful individual style, mixed with vintage or basics. Brands offer expressive building blocks, less prescriptive, more you. Celebrity as megaphone, the influencer effect. Their reach is immense, and influence immediate. One bold look on a global star is seen by millions in minutes. The same is true for top influencers. A single act can turn an obscure runway piece into a must-have overnight. Brands don't wait. They orchestrate placements with precision. A fluorescent feathered gown becomes an event because it photographs powerfully. It pops everywhere images travel. Attention feeds the brand. The brand gains global exposure. Creators have loyal communities who trust their taste. Gifts, sponsors, access, content that feels personal and authentic. Seeing it styled de-risks boldness. Shoppers gain confidence and buy. In a crowded marketplace, attention is scarce and priceless. Bold design cuts through noise, more than safe, beige classics. That first spark can become a visit and a sale. Accessories drive profits, and loudness drives accessories. Belts, bags, sneakers are accessible entry points. They're walking ads, broadcasting status and belonging. Visibility fuels desire. Desire fuels sales. Louder visuals signal a new era fast. Graphic boldness travels, accelerating market entry. Showpieces, plus scarcity create hype, and a halo for core lines. Art builds cachet. Cachet sells the profitable everyday items. Counterintuitive, but true. Loud design can best showcase craftsmanship. Intricate prints, complex jacquards, innovative treatments demand mastery. Unconventional silhouettes test designers, pattern makers, artisans. When a house pushes boundaries, loudness signals technical prowess. The piece becomes wearable art. an expression of vision. Bold graphics can carry messages, history, and identity. Fast fashion can copy simple shapes, not the depth of true bold luxury. Skill, time, creativity are visible in loudness, reinforcing value and exclusivity. Loudness wins attention, but carries risks. Go too far, and you can dilute heritage and alienate loyal clients. Overexposure burns fast, exclusivity evaporates. Manage supply, limited editions, waitlists, regional releases. The next bold is smarter. Less logo, more idea. Radical sustainability and design complexity become statements. Social media, youth desire, global attention are here to stay. Refined loudness will lead.